GitHub Copilot launched in 2021 and changed AI coding forever. Cursor arrived and redefined what an editor could be. Then Claude Code launched in May 2025 and within 8 months had a 46% most loved rating among developers, compared to Cursor at 19% and Copilot at 9%. But those numbers do not tell the full story. In this video I will give you an honest comparison of all three, what each one actually does, where each one wins, pricing, precautions, and exactly which combination most professional developers are using in 2026. GitHub Copilot was created by GitHub and Microsoft in collaboration with OpenAI. It launched in 2021 as a VS Code extension and was the first tool to make AI coding mainstream. It is a plugin, not a new editor. It installs into VS Code, JetBrains, Visual Studio, and other editors you already use. As you type, it suggests completions inline. You press Tab to accept. In 2025 it added agent mode, assign a GitHub issue, and Copilot spins up a virtual machine, clones your repo, makes the changes, and pushes a draft pull request. It now supports multiple AI models including GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, Gemini Pro, and Grok. Here are GitHub Copilot's genuine strengths. Zero friction, it installs as a plugin and nothing changes about how you work. Native GitHub integration means it can read your issues, push pull requests, and run CI workflows natively. It has 82% adoption in enterprise environments because it is safe, compliant, and trusted. It works in VS Code, JetBrains, Visual Studio, Neovim, and more. It is SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 certified, which is why large companies choose it over alternatives. Agent mode turns any GitHub issue into an automated development task. And the Pro plan gives you 300 premium model requests per month. Copilot pricing. Free plan gives 300 chat messages a month and basic completions, enough to evaluate it. Pro is $10 a month with unlimited completions and 300 premium requests. Pro Plus is $19 a month with 3 times the premium requests and access to all models including Claude Opus. Business is $19 per user per month with team controls and audit logs. Enterprise is $39 per user per month with full compliance and custom model support. Cursor is not a plugin. It is a completely rebuilt code editor based on VS Code. The key difference from Copilot is that Cursor treats AI as the core of the editor, not as a feature added on top. Every action has AI context, not just autocomplete but chat, agent, and inline editing. Its tab completion predicts your next edit across your whole file. Chat knows your entire codebase. Agent mode builds features across multiple files simultaneously. And background agents run tasks in parallel while you work on something else. It supports GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, Gemini Pro, and Grok. You can switch models mid-session. Claude Code is fundamentally different from both Copilot and Cursor. It is not an editor. It is not a plugin. It is a terminal-based autonomous agent. You navigate to any project folder in your terminal, type Claude, and it reads your entire codebase. It has a 1 million token context window, meaning it can hold an enormous project in memory at once. You describe what you want to do and it plans, writes, runs, and tests all without you being in an editor. As of early 2026 it is also available as a third-party agent inside Copilot Pro Plus and Enterprise, meaning you can use Claude Code directly from within a Copilot workflow. Here is the direct comparison across every dimension. Setup: Copilot is a plugin, Cursor is a full new editor, Claude Code runs in your terminal. Context window: Copilot handles 32 to 128,000 tokens, Cursor understands your full project, Claude Code has a 1 million token context window. Best for Copilot for inline suggestions, Cursor for daily coding sessions, Claude Code for large autonomous tasks. Pricing: Copilot $10, Cursor $20, Claude Code variable per token. IDE required: Copilot needs your existing IDE, Cursor has one built-in, Claude Code needs no IDE at all. Enterprise trust: Copilot leads here due to Microsoft backing and compliance certifications. And all three have a free plan to start with. Pause here and read through this carefully. Precautions that apply across all three tools. Never paste API keys, passwords, or secrets into any AI coding tool. Always review AI-generated code before merging, especially to production. AI can produce code that looks correct but has subtle bugs. Test everything. Be aware of license implications. AI-generated code for commercial projects sits in a legal gray area. Claude Code specifically, it can delete and modify files. Always read its plan before approving any action. Cursor, stick to auto mode to avoid burning through your credit pool unexpectedly. Copilot on the free plan may use your code to improve the model. Check your privacy settings and disable this if you are working on proprietary code. Here is what the data actually says about how developers use these tools in 2026. 95% of developers use AI coding tools at least weekly. 75% use AI for more than half of their coding work. The average experienced developer uses 2.3 AI tools simultaneously, not one. The most common combination among individual developers is Cursor for daily coding sessions and Claude Code for large autonomous tasks. In enterprise environments, the most common combination is GitHub Copilot for compliance reasons combined with Claude Code for complex multi-file tasks. Claude Code has a 46% most loved rating, Cursor 19%, Copilot 9%. But loved rating is not the same as most useful for every situation. The conclusion from every survey and every experienced developer I have read: these tools do not compete. They complement each other at different layers of your workflow. Here are the links for all three. GitHub Copilot free at github.com/features/copilot. Cursor free at cursor.com, Claude Code documentation at code.claude.com/docs. All three have free plans, try before you pay. My recommendation for where to start: if you already use GitHub daily, start with Copilot. It will feel completely natural. If you want the richest daily AI coding experience, start with Cursor. Add Claude Code to your workflow when you have a large complex task that needs autonomous execution. The most important takeaway from this entire video: you do not have to pick one. Copilot for inline speed and GitHub integration. Cursor for your daily active coding session. Claude Code for autonomous background tasks on large projects. All links and commands are in the description. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. See you in the next one.